Another video about the Sonos Roam and some of the quirks that I've learned about this device through using it myself, but also through the feedback that came in comments on my other two videos that talk about the Roam and how to really, use this power button properly and to really understand how they've put functionality into this single button, and then also how to connect to Bluetooth quickly. There's a lot of feedback in there of people having issues that were new to me, and I explored those, and I'll just talk about a couple of them here today. So some folks have expressed that, hey, I've put my charger on, I get the amber light like I'm supposed to down here, but then it just says amber all the time. It never finishes charging, and they've been sitting there for days and it's still charging. So something's going on there. Well, one fix that somebody mentioned was using one of those wireless charging pads that you can buy pretty cheaply. I think they're 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to one. But there's also others saying, you know what, if you're using the standard charging plug that comes with an iPhone, it might not be enough wattage for what the Roam needs. So maybe you want to try the bigger one that comes with the iPads. These are 10 watts, and that might be, not only would it charge things faster, but it may be enough amperage to make the Roam wake up and finish its charging as planned. So that's one thing. Secondly, just know that when you have a Roam that's fully turned off like this one, and then you go ahead and you plug in the power, it's going to turn the device back on, whether you want to or not. It's just how it works. So I'm going to head and show you that here. I'm going to plug it into the wall, and this, like I said, this Roam is fully turned off. And what'll happen is, as soon as I plug it in, you're going to see that red or amber light flash at the bottom, indicating there's power. And then also here, I'm getting the flashing white light. And it's flashing white because I'm starting the boot up sequence right now. And it takes about 10 seconds for the little computer inside here to fully boot up. And so when that's done, like it is now, it'll be a solid white light. And now this Roam is on. I mean, I can push the voice assistant button and it lights up, and I can start streaming music through it right now. So that's the second thing. Just remember, when you turn on your, or when you plug in your device into the wall, it is going to start up the device. So if you want to charge it with the device turned off, you're going to need to plug that cable all in first and then go through the shutdown sequence to turn off the Roam, and then it'll charge and it won't turn it back on. But as soon as you manipulate that cable in and out, it's going to trigger it to turn on. Okay, so that's the second thing. Third thing is, here you go, got your voice assistant light on. Just know that it's, whenever that light is on, it's killing your battery and it's listening for your watchword for your voice assistant, whether it's Google or Amazon's. So just be aware, and you don't want that light on all the time. You want that on when you're going to use it in the voice assistance mode. Otherwise, it's just going to kill your battery. And then finally, let's just finish with another reminder about how to shut these things all the way down. And I'll do it this time with the power plugged in to show you that you can keep charging it even though it's turned off. And I'll do that by holding this button for an excruciatingly long time. We'll get through that third tone after about 8 or 10 seconds. Okay, so here goes. And there we go. And we're turned off. And this one's already got a good charge on it. And I think that's why I'm not seeing the amber light. And I've got it plugged into the wall there. And now it is completely turned down, even though I have it plugged in. So, hey, I hope this video was helpful to you. And if it was, please give it a thumbs up, and that'll help other people find it as well. And look in the product description or description of the video for any of the products that I talked about during the video. And hey, as always, have a great day.